It's your boy, Mr. Looking. We back, man. Gonna put the motor on. The $100 mini bike. We on jack stands. We got us another. That is. That was the 196. What is it? 208. Put it on that. Yeah, buddy, that's what we on. Some mug still like brand new, man. Seat in good shape. Everything. Had that little factory motor, like we took that off, favorite part, the jack stand. Let's put it on the jack stand and start doing what we gotta do. Yes, sir. So we on. Get right back with y'all when I put it on the jack stands. I'm back. I had the motor sitting on my shelf, and a whole bunch of motors sitting on my shelf. It's probably right there for like 2 years. Pump right on up, sound good. Turn the truck off. Turn the gas back on. Turn the gas back on right now. We just shut the truck off, but it run good. Fresh off the shelf without even messing with the carburetor. I had to clean it or nothing. Like the motor, probably had like a minute or two on it from the last bike that the guy got it from. That's where we at. No, that's not a 196. Y'all see. 208. They got the charging system in here too. I don't know if I want to keep it in here and put extras on here or what. If not, I'll snatch it out. And we finish hooking up the kill switch. Alright, order my clutch. I got that. Put the clutch on. Special clutch I got. Little racing clutch. And size my chain up. Take it for a run. What y'all think? We got some adding to it though. Yeah, buddy. Where we at? Some more clean. Going to get this clutch from out the house and stuff. Let's get with it, man. Be right back with you. Got the kill switch hooked up. I got the throttle hooked up. I put a new throttle cable. I don't know. So I got a different grip. I'm gonna switch that grip out. Yeah, buddy. Get the clutch on. Size this chain up. Take it for a ride. See how it sound right now? Joke, yeah. I took the spring off and put on the other one when I got rid of it. I gotta order another spring or I got some. motor do have a charging system in it. If I want to add lights, I keep the charging system in there. Planning on adding it. We'll see. Good buddy. Nice. Yeah, the motor like brand new. We got the brand new clutch. Racing clutch. Get with it, man. Mr. Got 'em looking. We're trying to stay with content, man. I'm gonna try to keep on putting down content, keep on doing it. I guess I gotta keep doing it. Get with me. I forgot. I shut the chalk off. Like I said, it's been sitting for over 2 years. I bought it, put it on my shelf from somebody. I had gas in the same carburetor and everything. I didn't do nothing to it. Old gas and everything. Alright, now. I gotta find my chain brake. I think I know where it's at. I'll probably drop that on the next video, man. Putting the clutch on, putting the chain on, running it. I got some pieces to work through. Get with it, man. Just gotta look. We're gonna take off the plow. Have fun, take that to the woods and stuff. That's on the whole different video. Yeah, buddy.